What's going on, guys? Sebastian is Squid here. This is the finale for this little anti-gravity case study, a challenge thing, whatever you want to call it. I have been working on this site and working on marketing the product for the past few weeks, I believe, and we are now at the final stage where I show the results. So basically, if you guys did not watch the other videos, I made the website for this anti-gravity case live. I discussed marketing, which we ended up doing TikTok influencers. I found a TikTok influencer. We paid him $200. And now we're going to be revealing the results. Now, before I reveal the results, I want to discuss how we actually structured the ad for this product, because it wasn't like he filmed the product and was like,
yo guys, check out this case I just got. It sticks to the wall, blah, 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 go get yours now.
And there's a specific reason why I didn't structure my ads like this, because on TikTok, videos go viral organically if you have good content. So how we structured the post was we had him just literally, I mean myself and the brand, it's not like I was partnered. Basically, we had him film a normal video. It was funny, blah, blah, blah. He just did his own thing. And then in the caption, he basically tagged our brand and says, yo, I used this case to film this. Use this code for 10, or I think we did 15% off. And that ad was posted yesterday and it got a decent amount of views. I think it's at maybe 100,000 views, 30,000 likes on the post. And now we will discuss the revenue because it's not what I expected. So the ad again went up yesterday and here are our results. We did a total of $34 in sales. We sold 2 cases. Yeah, so things I think we could have done better because I was expecting more sales. Obviously the ad just went up yesterday. I'm still gonna get sales for the next few days, but I feel like I should have gotten more revenue. One thing I think we could have done better is in the ad, he just filmed the video and talked and that was kind of it. So there wasn't at all any showcasing of the product. One thing he could have done when he started the filming, he could have quickly stuck his phone to the wall and then created a little bit of confusion in the viewer's eyes. And then in the caption, you basically introduce the solution for how he did that, which would be our case. I think that could have done better, but again, I do think we'll still get some more sales. I don't know if we will end up profiting overall. I did run the numbers and figured out exactly how much we lost because I feel like a lot of people need to know that, so I'll do the numbers at the end. But what I would do for this store is start running Facebook ads, because if I can create a better video ad that can show the product and its full potential and target the right people, I know I can sell out of this inventory pretty quickly. It doesn't seem like it would be an issue because the product is in demand. I've gotten sales, which means that there are people looking to buy it. I just need to hit the right audience, which is why TikTok influencers are good for broad products and things that don't really have a specific niche, unless your TikTok influencer is in that specific niche. Now, with Facebook ads, I can go in depth and target content creators, YouTube, TikTok, stuff like that, so that people that are really likely to buy this product will be seeing the ad rather than just random video that an influencer posts that has tons of followers for like random demographics. I have no idea who they are or what their interests are. So that obviously is something that's always difficult with influencer marketing because you never know who you're targeting. You never know who's seeing the ad. Plus, it's definitely more simple to scale with Facebook ads, so I definitely would. So if I was going to scale this store, I definitely would, again, get into Facebook ads, test 3 to 5 creatives with just tons of ad sets and make it work. Because again, it's fairly simple. I will create a Facebook ad strategy video in probably a few days because I do have a pretty good one that I'm running right now that's working well for myself. So it'll be pretty beneficial to show you guys that. Before I get into the numbers of this site, if you guys smash the like button, and if I can get to, I don't even know, 100 likes in the first few days of this video, I will make a Facebook ad tutorial with this website. I'll showcase how I can get, or how I'm getting custom content and all that stuff. And then we'll actually launch ads. If you guys want to see that, thumbs up the video. If I can get to 100 likes in the first, let's just say 3 days of this video being up, I will film that and show you guys, and I'll actually show you guys the real site and everything, not just the ads, because I feel like that'll be cool for you guys to check it out. So if you guys want to see that, again, smash the like button. And then on Shopify, I basically just went on the orders and clicked create shipping labels, and now I'm just going to buy these and print them out through this little label printer. Let's have this focus. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'll show you guys just how easy it is. So then I just open up the labels in a PDF and click print, and then they print just like that. Okay, here they are, they're all packaged up. Now, let's talk about the profits, because The numbers are kind of sad. Okay, so like you guys just saw, we got 2 orders and I packaged this all up in front of you guys. Now let's discuss the profit margins for this store. So we generated $32.42 in sales. We had to spend $14 on a domain, $200 on the influencer promotion. We spent around $6.36 on shipping, 50 cents on the shipping bubble mailers, and then I'll just say $3 on the product, which leaves us with a total of negative $191.44. You guys know what I could have spent that on? I'm completely kidding. Not really, actually. I could have spent that on something else. But that is kind of beside the point. I didn't have crazy high expectations just because I rushed the influencer a little bit. Like I rushed finding one. One thing I could have done differently, I'm sure I could have found some influencers that would have just happily promoted the product if I had just sent them the product itself and didn't even pay them. I found this person and I DM'd them and they replied very quickly, gave me their price, and he had an agent and stuff, or like a manager who set prices, and I tried to negotiate. He offered me $200 and I was like, well, could you do $220 and do 2 posts? And he's like,
no, 200.
He's very strict, and that was kind of annoying, but beggars can't be choosers. I did not have many influencers that I even had reply. There was only basically him, so I really had to just work with him. If I had gotten a little more time to do this, I definitely could have found some better ones, but it is what it is. I hope you guys can learn from this and maybe try TikTok influencers. They're very profitable. I've definitely used them to my benefit for my personal brands, not personal brands, like the other brands I run, and they've worked really, really well. I've generated crazy ROAS with them. As far as like numbers go, I've generated thousands of dollars with less than $100 spent on ads because I've had influencers just accept the product and then they promote it with just the product for free. So that is a benefit to TikTok influencers. Just be patient with it though, because a lot of them are new to fame and don't really have a good idea of how much they should charge, and they're kind of hesitant to work with people. So just instill trust and you should be able to get some good deals. So hope you guys did enjoy, and I hope those profit margins didn't scare you guys away. This is a great product. TikTok influencers work well. In my personal opinion, I would rather run Facebook ads for this product. It would definitely be way more profitable because I would have the ability to control a lot more aspects of how I'm targeting and all that stuff. So again, if you guys do want to see that video, be sure to smash that like button and I may post it later this week. One thing though, I did get an ad account deleted from me. Like I literally had all of my business manager with all of my ad accounts besides one wiped from my Facebook business account, which means I had to create a whole new one. So I'm trying to get that back. I'm trying to work on getting it because I literally have ads that are still spending money and I don't have access to them anymore. So that's kind of tough. So I'm trying to figure that out. But either way, I will get that video done if you guys do want to see that. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this series. If you guys have any other recommendations, like if you guys want me to do another 24-hour challenge or like a 48-hour or 72-hour challenge, whatever the case may be, let me know in the comments below and I will get to work on another video. Hope you guys did enjoy and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.